Do you have one of these GMs? You know, the ones where you have to have a key fob in your pocket in order for the door to open. Well, this battery right now is completely disconnected. There's no power in this whole entire vehicle. Now, anybody that owns a Cadillac, especially the CTS, you know that you have to have a key fob in your pocket. Well, this key fob's kind of busted a little bit, sitting on the front seat. So, kind of is what it is. I decided to take the initiative and go old manual. You see that? Watch. Let me show you what I did. I took the door all apart. If you look in here, I took a car antenna right here and I bent it and I sent it all the way up to the top there. So now, when you pull on the door lever, no more bull crap. See, the problem is that this car was in a flood. Well, really wasn't in a flood. Actually, the sunroof was leaking for a very long time. The floorboards were soaked. They still are soaked. As a matter of fact, you want to see something really, really crazy? I'll put the battery back together, back here. Because I was trying to check everything, of course, you know, trying to do the right thing. But after a while, you just got to make do with what you have. And this girl, really, she just wants to get her car back and she wants to get in her car. So, we have our little battery test, or our little power test here. Watch this. This is the carpet. The carpet's got a better ground than the wires do. Because it's just all soaked. So, it's just way too much wiring. This runs from here. Car's a 2008. I mean, it runs from here all the way to the back seat, into the trunk. The back seat had so much water in it. It was flooded really bad. So I'm finding another alternative way, and I'm pretty happy with it. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. That's just pretty much the only way that I could beat electronics. I mean, there's only so much diagnosis you're going to do on a 2008 CTS. It is what it is. And you know what? It's more reliable. It works. She could have a dead battery. She could lock her keys in the car. She'll still have a way to get her in the car. That's what matters.